Huh?
What do y'all do for Thanksgiving?
I don't know what I'm gonna do, miss. I'm gonna eat something, miss.
Enjoy your family.
I'm gonna enjoy 'em.
And be thankful.
I'm thankful, miss. Oh, thank you, miss.
You know, since we are live.
Yeah. What you wanna let me know, miss?
I want people to know that God is good.
They knew that already, miss.
And if there's somebody out there that doesn't know the Lord, come over to my hot dog cart and let me tell you about Jesus.
Okay.
What he's done for my life. Okay.
Oh, okay. Well then, they didn't know about that now. Y'all can go over to a trailer.
If you want to know, just come over to the hot dog cart and I'll pray with you if you need prayer.
Oh, you'll pray with them?
If you need prayer, you need help with anything.
Oh yeah. Well, miss. Okay. Okay.
Because you know God is good.
Yeah, he good.
He's done a lot for us, and He's changed my life.
Oh yeah, he
You know
changed.
that hot chocolate?
Yeah. And then get you one of them.
Well, you know, just break some. Hey guys, we should break some of these little bushes off to fit like on the side of it. Ask Emily, because
I'm through. I already got my peppermint. He already said that. You said what it do?
How do you do
takes-
peppermint?
it's
You mix
amazing.
it up
It's
and-
amazing. That's what it is.
It just,
Just mix it in there
whenever
and
it
eat it
gets
last.
melt, whenever it melts, it'll taste amazing.
Oh, I gotta wait till it melt.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Well, hey, miss, make sure y'all order some marshmallows. Yeah, they need some
That's like a
marshmallows.
must.
You can't. Yeah, y'all put that on the list. And some paydays and some Butterfingers. Y'all ain't got no Butterfinger in here. Y'all ain't got no Butterfinger. That's Bart Simpson. That's all the kids. That's like the best candy. Y'all ain't got no. Man. Yeah. Y'all ain't got no candies with peanuts besides a yellow pack of M&M's. We don't want no Laffy Taffy. We want some Butterfingers. Mama. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I could go buy Butterfinger and crunch it up myself at the house in a bag and
Oh,
put it
yeah?
in your topping.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Don't forget your turkey. Oh, we bought all the employees' turkeys tonight.
Oh yeah.
All of the employees tonight.
I've been working for y'all, miss.
They're getting turkeys for Thanksgiving.
Miss, I've been putting Yello Belly. I got people all over the world wanting to go to Yello Belly. People in Virginia. You know I be traveling, right? You know I be traveling. Then I be having. I got people all the way in Australia. People in Dubai. People everywhere. I'm over here advertising for Yello Belly. Miss, you know she won't even let me in free. Miss, they let me, man, miss.
She's supposed to be talking to Easton.
Easton won't even, when I start talking to him, he start 434. What do you say on the radio? He get on the radio, miss. That's why I'm telling you so you can tell
He's
him.
over there having a party right now. He's got his radio on. Do you see him? Go and say hi to him.
Oh,
There.
he over there? Let me go.
He's got his music going on right now.
I ain't finna mess with him, miss. I'm finna go catch another race, miss. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. What?
Right here.
Oh, he
Say hi
is?
to him.
Come say hi to him. Where he at?
He's got his music on. Look at
Easy, man.
It's a perfection.
Let me show you Yello Belly's haircut. Ah.
She'll come out. You come up here. She'll do your hair for you.
Hey, this song is. Show me a picture of Yello Belly's haircut. Right there, miss. I need a shag like that, miss. You know how to do
Yes,
that?
and I saw a guy out here today that had that.
You saw a guy with it?
Yeah, I mean, this is pretty easy. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can hit that and keep the waves and taper it up.
Do you want the line too?
Yeah, I want the line and all that.
Yeah, so what this is, that's a 0.
Yeah, that's a 0 right there.
Up until 1.
Faded up to a 1 with a
This is
line.
probably about a 1.
That's about a 1 too.
Yeah.
So what's that at the top?
Two.
That might be a 2.
No, the top is like a 3 or a 4.
Oh yeah. And what about that back? You gotta just shape that back correctly.
No, so what I would do is I would take all this right here and put it in a ponytail.
In
Or
a
put
ponytail? Oh, put a comb in it.
Comb it out of the way.
Okay, you'll
You don't
comb
wanna
it out
cut
the
into
way.
that.
Yeah, you don't want to
You
cut
don't
it.
wanna cut in that. I'm telling people my secrets. Okay, so this is how you would do it, guys.
Yeah,
You're gonna take a comb
yeah.
and just stick it in there, cause
And making sure it don't go nowhere.
right, and just hold that hair back, cause you're not messing with that. unless
Yeah,
that
you gotta shape it a little bit at the end.
You can if you want to.
You know how to keep the waves in there and everything. You know how to do
Your
that.
hair's naturally wavy. I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
I've never seen your hair, so I don't know.
I'm gonna have
Okay.
some big moves.
Yeah, and then all this right here is just detail with your edges.
Yeah.
You're just doing
He
a
got a
straight
good-
thing. You're just edging it. It's just
Yeah.
that's your detail work. Yeah, I can probably do that
Oh, no.
for you.
Okay, okay, you can do that for me. Okay, I think I might. I'm a holler at you.
Stuff up here, we'll just do right up
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We do the haircut
right
up.
here.
Oh.
But no, yeah, I'll bring my stuff.
Yeah, I might go and get me an edge up or something. See what you're working with, miss. I got a cow lick on the top right. Yeah, you know how to do that. You know how to get around
Yes,
them.
I do. My son has them, but the worst thing is if I mess up on the cut, then we'll just give you a cut. We'll just fade it all in.
Fade. Oh yeah, you know how to fade it up. Okay.
I'm saying if you don't like it.
Yeah, if I don't like it.
The worst thing worse is I just give you a haircut.
Okay.
Got it. You'll be fine.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, the pit new staging lanes is in 2 weeks. We already paid them.
What?
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're getting a new pit. It's coming. We've already put the down payment.
Oh yeah.
We're redoing the whole entire pit and stage.
We ain't even asked.
Let everybody know.
Uh huh.
Hey, and let me tell you what, we're about to add 40 hay bales to the back, take some trees out. I'm going to redo this
It's
turn
going to
road
be
on the
done
end.
right after Thanksgiving, the pit.
Okay.
I'm going to get all this, we're going to give us
The
some
hay
bling
guys,
out
we're
here.
still going to be open. What we're going to do is we're going to run everybody on the outside of the track. They won't be able to come in the pit area.
Yeah.
Close down. We're gonna be-
Reason why you ain't pressing a couple notches on the volume, man? You got. Who was that? Elton, man.
You know, back in the day, they had the girls out here staging the carts and announcing in the tower.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I read about Yello Belly. He's like, man, I didn't know they did this shit. So yeah, they did that. I was like, well, I'm gonna get, if I get some girls lining them up, they're gonna be hot and bodacious.
You know where to get them from?
Playboy bunny. I was some stripper Playboy bunny babe.
Where you know where to get them from, though?
No, but I think Lookout's gonna take care
Yeah,
of that
I'll
department.
help you find
Yeah,
them.
you're gonna be looking out for
Yeah,
me.
I'm gonna look out for you, man. I'm gonna look out for you.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to look out for
All
me.
right, I'm gonna look out. I ain't heard no burning rubber since I've been in there. We ain't missed no racing. Ooh. Oh, hot chocolate. Muddy. Look out, look out. What's up with it, man?
What we gotta do to get a feature?
Man, I already, come on, I just made a video of y'all and y'all won.
You gotta get a driver interview.
Okay, let me holler at him real quick.
1320 style.
434 dispatch. Hey man, what kind of car do you have, dude?
Just a 5.3 truck, work truck, you already know.
All right, how much horsepower are you pushing?
Like 300,
All right, any nitrous?
a little bit,
All right, how long have you had it?
like 2 years.
Nice. What transmission are you running?
4060 with broken fourth gear.
Holy shit, dude. Nice, man. What else they be asking?
I don't even know. Personal best, I guess.
Oh yeah, what are you looking to run today in this thing?
Probably like a 9-second, 9
Alright.
hole. Probably.
Sweet.
If,
Well, good luck, dude.
if the weather's right.
All right.
Yep. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna run that Trackhawk though.
You be showing people your motors?
Hell no. I'll show you the K&N part though.
No.
That's it.
Don't show nothing.
That's all we can show. Hey, you forgot the main question.
What? Do you got that intake?
I got that.
Okay, he got that intake, y'all. Let me see. They said, is this truck called Mama Lona? Okay, yeah, this Mama Lona way.
This is my Malona number 1. The 2 is coming over there. It blew the drive shaft.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
It's going down, y'all. Small block. Small block. He has an inside scoop. Gabriella breast milk. Okay. They say it's a Mama Lona 2? Where number 2 at? You own both of them?
Nah, that's my homeboy shit. But
Okay.
you be messing with that computer work.
Okay, that's a bit. Well, we're going to see your next pass and see how you do. Who you running that same truck?
I'm gonna race this Trackhawk right here.
Oh, man.
Hey, interview.
He done messed up now.